In the dynamic world of project management, staying on course and delivering successful outcomes hinges on meticulous planning. Imagine trying to navigate a complex maze blindfolded. That's akin to managing a project without a clear visual roadmap. This is where tools like Gantt charts step in, offering a beacon of clarity and control. Among the plethora of project management software available, Scoro stands out, and its Gantt chart functionality is often touted as a key asset. But is Scoro's Gantt chart tool truly essential for effective project planning? Let's delve into this and explore why it might just be the compass you need to navigate your project landscapes effectively. At its core, a Gantt chart is a visual representation of a project schedule. Think of it as a horizontal bar chart where each bar represents a task, stretching across a timeline. The length of the bar corresponds to the task's duration, and its position indicates when it starts and ends. This simple yet powerful visualization offers an immediate and intuitive understanding of the project's timeline, dependencies between tasks, and overall progress. Now, let's bring Scoro into the picture. Scoro is an integrated project management software that combines various functionalities, including project planning, task management, time tracking, and billing. Its Gantt chart tool is seamlessly integrated within this ecosystem, offering a dynamic and interactive way to plan and manage projects. So, why might Scoro's Gantt chart be considered essential for effective project planning? Here are several compelling reasons. 1. Visualizing the project timeline with unmatched clarity. One of the most significant advantages of Scoro's Gantt chart is its ability to provide a clear visual overview of the entire project lifecycle. At a glance, you can see all the tasks involved, their start and end dates, and how they fit together within the overall timeline. This visual clarity eliminates ambiguity and ensures everyone on the team has a shared understanding of the project schedule. For those new to project management or working on complex projects with numerous interconnected tasks, this visual representation is invaluable. 2. Defining and managing task dependencies effortlessly. Projects rarely consist of isolated tasks. Often, the start of one task depends on the completion of another. Scoro's Gantt chart allows you to easily define and visualize these dependencies. By linking tasks, you can clearly see how delays in one area can impact subsequent activities. This understanding is crucial for proactive risk management and allows you to adjust the schedule accordingly when unforeseen issues arise. For educational purposes, demonstrating task dependencies visually through a Gantt chart provides a concrete understanding of this fundamental project management concept. 3. Optimizing resource allocation for maximum efficiency. Effective project planning involves not just scheduling tasks but also allocating the right resources at the right time. Scoro's Gantt chart often integrates with resource management features, allowing you to assign team members or equipment to specific tasks and visualize their workload over time. This helps in identifying potential resource bottlenecks, preventing overallocation, and ensuring that resources are utilized efficiently throughout the project. For learners, this illustrates the practical application of resource allocation within a project schedule. 4. Tracking progress and identifying potential delays proactively. As the project progresses, Scoro's Gantt chart serves as a dynamic tracking tool. You can update task statuses, mark milestones as complete, and monitor actual progress against the planned schedule. Any deviations or potential delays become immediately apparent, allowing project managers to take corrective action before they escalate. This proactive approach to tracking and issue resolution is a hallmark of effective project management. 5. Fostering collaboration and communication within the team. A well-maintained Gantt chart in Scoro acts as a central source of truth for the project schedule. It provides all stakeholders with a clear understanding of their responsibilities, deadlines, and how their individual contributions fit into the larger picture. This shared visibility fosters better communication, collaboration, and accountability within the project team. For educational settings, the Gantt chart can be used to illustrate the importance of clear communication and shared understanding in team-based projects. 6. Adapting to changes and replanning with agility. Project plans are rarely static. Changes are inevitable, whether they stem from shifting client requirements, unexpected challenges, or new opportunities. Scoro's Gantt chart allows for easy adjustments to the schedule. You can drag and drop tasks to modify their start and end dates, adjust durations, and relink dependencies. This flexibility and agility are crucial for responding effectively to changes and keeping the project on track. 7. Enhancing reporting and stakeholder communication. Scoro often allows you to generate reports based on the data visualized in the Gantt chart. These reports can provide stakeholders with a clear and concise overview of the project's progress, potential risks, and overall health. The visual nature of the Gantt chart makes it an effective communication tool for conveying complex project information to both technical and non-technical audiences. While it's technically possible to manage projects using other methods like simple task lists or spreadsheets, Scoro's integrated Gantt chart tool offers a significant advantage in terms of clarity, efficiency, and control. It moves beyond a static list of tasks and provides a dynamic, visual representation of the project's journey.